Hey, what's up guys, this is Abhinav here. Today I am here to show you a compilation of video clips that are memes brought to life by Dream Machine model from Luma AI. Before that, let's take a sneak peek into how you can make your own memes into videos for free. Let's head over to their website, link in the description, and click on try now. Sign up with Google. You can give an image input or give a text prompt and generate the video. Now take a look at some of the most viral memes on the internet now became videos.